Welcome to this video on how to lose belly fat. Belly fat is a common problem that many people face, but it can be challenging to know how to get rid of it. In this video, we will discuss some effective ways to lose belly fat and improve your overall health. Body. Eat a healthy diet. One of the best ways to lose belly fat is to eat a healthy diet. Focus on consuming whole, nutrient-dense foods that are rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and foods high in saturated and trans fats. Instead, choose foods like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Exercise regularly. Exercise is an essential part of losing belly fat. Incorporate both cardio and strength training exercises into your routine. Cardiovascular exercises such as running, cycling, and swimming help to burn calories and reduce overall body fat, while strength training exercises such as weightlifting and bodyweight exercises help to build muscle and boost your metabolism. Reduce stress. Stress is a significant contributor to belly fat. When we experience stress, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can cause us to gain weight, especially in the abdominal area. To reduce stress, try activities like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain and belly fat. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. This will help regulate your hormones, improve your mood, and reduce stress. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol is high in calories and can contribute to belly fat. Limit your alcohol intake to 1 to 2 drinks per week, or consider eliminating it altogether. Conclusion. Losing belly fat requires a combination of healthy eating, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep. It may take time and patience, but by implementing these lifestyle changes, you can achieve a healthier, more toned body. Remember to always consult with your doctor before starting any new exercise or diet routine. Thank you for watching.